I don't need to rush it. I got my brothers to my left and here big on me, say run it. Cause it's a new territory that we running through. I'ma need that 4x4. The way I move, and you know you man still young.
What is up, my MotoSaaders? And welcome to what is, I guess, MotoSaad season 1.5? The prelude to MotoSaad season 2. And I guess if you were a part of MotoSaad season 1, you probably didn't recognize that you were a part of MotoSaad season 1. But that's because I didn't really plan that out. I didn't really know how I was going to go about things. But now I just kind of decided that I'll probably do this for as long as I can, and every single riding season is just going to be another MotoSaad season, because why not? I hope you all had a wonderful winter. It felt weird. I mean, it didn't really feel like that cold or anything. I guess there were a few days here in the Chicagoland area that was like -10 or whatever. And it might not even be over, honestly. It's currently February. Feels kind of weird to be on two wheels in February, and it's literally like 60 degrees out. I might have like got too many layers on right now for this. God damn, it feels so good. This camera's messed up. Will I take it right here? I'll take it right here. You know, I feel like it's really important to be cautious, like the first few rides of the season, when your muscle memory is there but might not be fully there. You're a little rusty, probably weigh a little more than you did when the season ended. So here's what you guys have in store for MotoSaad Season 2. So I'm actually on a mission to help some local businesses out, some local artists. One of my good friends, NC Palma, here, Augie, throw his Spotify up right here. That's my buddy NC Palma. He's gonna let me use his music for intros and outros. So looks like I'll actually have an intro and outro with some music, because copyright laws are weird now. But shout out NC Palma for letting me use your music. I'll just drop a beat right now.
No tea on my favorite part.
So that's probably what the intro might sound like. That's the music my intro might have moving forward. Shout out to my video editor Augie. We picked him up here in MotoSaad Season 1, and he's going to be crucial for the development of MotoSaad Season 2. So, looking forward to that with you all. Oh my god, that looks so good. Is she praying? Oh, it looked like she was like praying for a second. Praying to the ice gods. So when I first tried to go start my bike, I thought the bike was dead. So I pulled out the jump starter, this and that. Why isn't my bike starting, man? And then I looked down and the kill switch is on, and I'm like, bro, god damn it, should I really be getting on this bike right now? But no, I should be, and I am right now. And I figured it out. And we're gonna figure out everything here in MotoSaad Season 2. I got a hair in my mouth, oh god. Being the front of the line, because then I don't get the light. Although I don't believe I was getting the light regardless here. That is not even that fast. So I got pulled over a few days ago doing something honestly real stupid. Really stupid. I was like it was like 2:50 in the morning with some friends. I shouldn't have been out at 2:50 in the morning, and I got pulled over, and dude let me go with the warning. And for a lot of people that would be, oh man, I got let off with just a warning. But for me, it is gonna be a warning in really big bold letters. Man, I don't, I gotta stop doing stupid stuff. It's this thing for us guys in I'm 26. I feel like I'm closer to 30 than I am to 20. So that's why I'm like, I really gotta stop doing this kind of stupid shit. But dude, it's just like the natural reaction to do stupid stuff, especially when you're around other dudes. It's so weird, and I gotta stop doing that kind of stupid stuff. So I actually don't know why that cop let me go. No clue why that cop let me go, but he let me go, and I'm just gonna take that warning as a warning in big bold letters and not the right kind of warning you just write off. And I do believe that life often presents moments where you can either kind of take it as like, oh yeah, it was just a warning, I got away with it, thank God. Or it's like, oh my God, that was a warning, this is unsustainable, I need to stop. And I think it's better to be in the second camp, where you take the feedback that life is giving you, rather than, thinking that life is just gonna let you keep doing the kind of stupid stuff. Because I will tell you, the chickens do come home to roost. Oh man, this red light is gonna be like a stop sign. I knew it. Oh, that's a nice Bronco. Oh. So I am on a mission to make this Royal Enfield one of the coolest Royal Enfields to have ever existed. I think that this is a great slate, especially the fact that I just like did basically nothing. I threw some stable in the gas tank before winter, and bad boy just started right up, except for me thinking that it was dead, even though my kill switch was on. But yeah, so I have so much faith in this bike. I love Royal Enfield, and I want to see if I can make this bad boy one of the coolest Royal Enfields to have ever existed. At least one of the coolest Royal Enfield GT 650s. So that's going to be one of our missions here. So let me know if you have any ideas for what I should do with this bike. Otherwise, I'm going to partnership with some local shops and plug them and plug myself with the coolest Royal Enfield GT 650. Man, it's literally a day like today. It is a day like today where the sun is out, where life seems to be okay. For a second there, winter was getting a little dark, man. Winter was getting a little cold. Winter 2025 to 2026 was a really interesting one. Definitely had my interpersonal introspective, that's the word I'm looking for. Definitely had my introspective moments there, but I'm happy that we're now basically in what appears to be like springtime. I'm on my motorcycle right now, but I really feel like it might just snow, man. In before it's gonna snow, 'cause I think it might just snow. Could have been me. Okay, so one thing that I used to do in MotoSaad Season 1 that I'm not going to do in MotoSaad Season 2 is every time I would go and record on a MotoSaad Season 1 episode, I would actually go and stop by the Backy store to hit up the Nicki Minaj, if you know what I mean. And I'm not doing that stuff anymore, man. I'm skeptical of China, and I'm skeptical of inhaling these items. So one by one, I'm taking these inhalants out of my life, and we will not be going to hit up the Backy store to get the Nicki Minaj in MotoSaad Season 2. And I hope if you also have the same kind of cravings that I do, that you will join me in MotoSaad Season 2 and leave the Backy alone. Leave the Nicki Minaj alone, man. Lil Dragon? Lil Dragon. Oh, the mind sees what the mind wants to see. God damn. Lil Dragon, that's hilarious. Lil Dragon. God, maybe I do have a problem. Man, I'm so happy about this weather, bro. I really thought my life sucked. And then the sun came out and he was like, never mind. God damn it. I miss this bike, dude. I miss riding. There's nothing like it. Maybe riding a horse. I've never ridden a horse, but something tells me, or I think somebody told me, that riding a motorcycle is actually very similar to riding a horse. Or maybe not. I think if you ride a horse, you're probably like, nah, that's pretty stupid, brother. Oh, I would say hi, but I'm sorry. I'm holding my clutch in. going through this neighborhood, man. Oh, that was a sketchy one you did. Oh, wow. Damn, she was wet. Fuck. Why did I say that? Why did I say that? That fire extinguisher, I don't know. I don't know if that fire hydrant identified as a girl anyway. Like, why did I assume that she was a he? It could have been he was wet or they were wet. Oh, God. I'm sorry, YouTube. Fresh air. Oh God, yeah. It smells so good. Fuck. It smells so good. Oh hey, sorry. Oh man. I don't know if she was like catching her balance or saying hi. Life is just a series of misinterpretations, man. We all gotta give each other more grace. We do. It's true. Fresh air. It's crazy. I feel like you really go through the Chicago winters just to enjoy the Chicago summers. But if you really think about it, the Chicago summers are like freaking 95, 100 plus degrees. And I'm just like, maybe you just find a way to get through it for no reason at all, and that's fine. What up, brother? Oh my God, who are you waiting for? Man, I miss being on two wheels so much, bro. It sucks it's gonna rain all week. It's probably gonna snow again because it's literally the middle of February. I don't even know what time it is. Based on the sun almost setting, it's probably like 3 p.m. I'm just kidding. I assume it's like... Actually, I think it is like 3:30 or 4. Who are you? Alright. Well, I think it's time to put this bike back. But, brother, for the fact that I barely did anything to store this bike and it started right up, I love Royal Enfield. Thank you so much, Royal Enfield, for producing these bikes. They're actually freaking almost bulletproof, it seems like. And I'll see you guys all on MotoSaad Season 2! Throw that NC Palma on!
Like a dungeon, shout he gon' ask if we done yet, but you know that we always on. I keep my studio bumping, cause it's a new set toy that we running through.